Morning. Definitely washed my hair today.
Hello.
My mom gave me her beautiful opinion of my day one vlog.
I just said that she talked a little slowly. But otherwise it was great.
I am not feeling well today. My throat hurts. It's been a very long time since I have felt sick. I'm gonna do a card reading. I'm not feeling well. My throat is killing me. This is the deck that I'm going to be reading from during Virtue's Archangel Michael deck. Before any card reading for myself or for friends, it's important to clear the deck of any negative energy that has come across it. So I just like to close my eyes, thank Archangel Michael for being with me, and asking that all cards drawn for me come with divine love and guidance. And I start to shuffle. I know when certain cards come out of the deck, like fly out of the deck like that. In that case, it was the first card. I just feel with my instinct and guidance as to what card is for me when a group comes out. And if I put, one of the 2 or 3 back that have come out, if it's really important, it'll pop back out again. Angel Michael, please lend me your courage and fortitude. Help me realize that I am one with all that is divine, wisdom, strength, love, creativity, abundance, and health. Allow me to feel confident and peaceful about myself in all ways. Confidence. Confidence is key. I think I have been a little anxious about my new venture, which I will be getting into. I guess now's a good time. Second day of the new year. So I have decided that I want to build a career on bringing positivity and a realness to the world. I want to help encourage people do the things that make them happy. I have made a lot of changes to my life in the last several months, and one of those changes was leaving my agents, who were my agents for 15 years and helped organize bookings for me to do makeup for campaigns and advertising and fashion and celebrities. And I had such a blast, but I was feeling my heart and my soul wanting more. And I knew that I had set goals and I had achieved those goals and some. Like there was nothing I missed on my list of things I wanted to accomplish in the Toronto fashion industry. And now I'm ready for another venture. So there you have it. I've done a big old change in my life over the last several months, and confidence it's growing. I mean, I have a lot of confidence in a lot of aspects of my life, but there are some that it's like slowly edging its way in there a little bit more. Yeah. Okay, cool. My throat. I'm gonna go make another tea. Singer's tea. I'm starving, and it is time to make some hummus. Turned out pretty good. My mom and I are vegan, and she's in there working. Let's go creep.
Oh man, hello.
So I made us a really nice snack. You're welcome.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Look how good that looks.
Looks fantastic.
Carrots, tomatoes, beans.
Beautiful.
You're a
Absolutely
bean.
beautiful. You're a bean. And a little oil on the.
Tried to get some paprika on there, but we're out.
No, we're just out. We've got paprika. It's just not in the shaker.
My mom has done an impeccable job organizing all of the spices in the pantry.
Give them a little look.
Oh, okay, I'll show you a little look. These are the spices, and they're all named and in alphabetical order, moving back. She's an organized boss.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go eat some nibblies. I don't eat grains. My mom, she gets these amazing bean crisps from Costco, and they're like little chips, like little crackers. Dip those into some hummus. I haven't made hummus in over a year, Mom.
Wow.
It's gonna be good.
Good.
I'll sit beside you.
Okay. Are we vlogging?
We're vlogging.
Vlog yourself. I'm doing work. I'm doing.
That's just, well, it's in the picture.
Okay, I'll try the hummus.
Cucumber's cold.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely delicious.
Yes!
Mm.
It's good, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Cold.
Have a cracker.
Mm-hmm. Okay, give me a minute.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. That could be a meal. Thank you, darling.
Could be. J-Dog made us beans and onion. What was the orange thing? Squash?
Yeah.
Squash noodles. Beans and onion for lunch. I dumped a bunch of sriracha on it. There's a little bit of maple syrup. It was good.
It was really good. There we go.
Oh man. I'm good.
You're good.
This is what I'm reading. Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself. I'm on page 15. Game's on. Let's go watch some hockey. And then hit the sack. Hit the sack and do it all over again tomorrow.
Hedman, he was waiting for that. Up comes up to Stamkos. Back to Cross. Hedman shoots it. Anderson's got it.
I'm a slow talker. It's who I am.